Welcome back, everyone. Another day. So done a couple things. I did a little bit last week, and then one day last week, and then this morning with my daughter a little bit. So she wanted help out, so she helped me with, which was pretty cool. So anyway, I got an Alpicool 35-liter 38 quart. It's set to -4 degrees. Just turned it on, so it's fairly decent size. In the corner, just have a little box, and then I just ran it to regular just cigarette lighter. I gotta tighten that up and install it and everything else, and then kind of excited about this. So down below there's all this empty space, so I put like storage in there. I gotta build it out, put dividers in there. I'm gonna put like the camp stove in there, plates in there, so I figure I'll be able to reach in there, grab it, and have the other shoe in there. So that should be fine in there. It's on a slide, so got that done. Pretty much finished up the countertop and the edging. It's all polyurethane with spar, and then the drawers are all done. So that's that. And then the other thing that I really did the last couple of days is I installed the TV. It's on a swing out, so it comes out sideways, so I can kind of angle it here so I can watch it while sitting outside. So did that, and then kind of cut the mattress, but finished my daughter's bunk bed, so that was pretty cool. I ordered actually a sofa cushion. It's 4 inches thick, and it was like $50 for. It's a little long, but you can cut it with a regular knife, so it's not too bad. So we'll see that. And then so I have this. It's on like an RV mount, so you can pull it, release it. Got the TV at Walmart for like $80. It's just a 24-inch RCA, and the mount was on Amazon for like $35, so not too bad. Ran that through into here, just ran it through the wall. Got a little wall plate on the other side, so it kind of hides it, and then just ran it through. And then what I do is I have the antenna wire running down along the side out to the front. I picked this up on eBay, or actually on Amazon as well. So just a little box, so in case a camp yard has cable or whatever, I could hook into that if I want to, or else I can get a regular over-the-air antenna and hook that up. Also, the TV does have a USB port, so I could use like a Fire Stick. So that's basically that. Things have come out really pretty good, pretty happy with it. I was just touching up some paint around the outside there on the top, around the lights, but it's coming along. Any questions, let me know. But that's just a quick day today, so it's getting there, so happy about that. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please hit like, and kind of go from there. And I'll do a review on the cooler once I get it a little bit more worked out, just to kind of give you guys a better idea. Thanks, bye.